Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be pretty interesting. We're going to be revealing my fidget toys, and I have a lot of them. Okay, let's get started. We'll start off with Poppets, because Poppets are trendy. They're trendy, I know. We have this very simple one. It's just a Poppet. It's a Poppet. There's not much to say about this one. I guess it's the first Poppet I ever got. From the dollar store. It's cheap, tacky, but I guess it's $1.25, not just $1. So yeah. We have this one. I got it from school, and it's a dolphin. Okay. The pops are very satisfying. I don't know if you can hear them from the camera, but I hear them and they sound satisfying. So yeah, that one. We have this one that I got from Lagoon, the big one, but it's not a Jumbo Poppet. Jumbo Poppet, it's really big, but it's big to me, and it's pretty normal. It's a hamburger, which makes me want to eat it. And it reminds me of Cousin Derp. I don't know if anybody knows Cousin Derp, but Cousin Derp is a dinosaur, a blue dinosaur. Look it up. Okay, and just finish popping these because I want to do that. Then that was very nice. Okay. Next, the squish balls. Okay, separately. First one, we have this. It's a pineapple squish ball. It has Orbeez inside. It's my newest one. I got it at Lagoon too. I get stuff from Lagoon a lot. And it's squishy. It's a squish ball. It makes sense. Anyways, next one. This one I also got from a dollar store. It's very not filled. It has foam stuff inside. And it makes a horrible sound that I hate when you squish it. I don't like it. It has a tacky face on it. Its eyes are smearing off, making it a blind man. And it's got a weird face. Next. It's this one, which is very watery. Clearly, it has water in it. It's a water ball, not a squish ball. And it's very shiny. And it makes also a watery sound, because obviously it makes a watery sound. This one has water in it. Does make sense. I mean, that does make sense. Okay. Next one. Next we have the slime. This one is soft drink putty. Don't drink putty, kids. That's actually really bad for you. Don't do that. I doubt anybody's even watching this video because it's going right now, not later, not before. Okay. Anyways, it's very stretchy for putty. It's more slime than putty. Oh, there it is. Okay, it has hair in it because I've used it. The color, it's orange. Right there it says oozing orange. Then it smells like putty. It's normal. Thank you. Taste that. It's noise putty. It farts. Come on, give it a try. Come on. Okay. What's next? Okay, I don't know. Okay, next one. This is gonna be satisfying. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Wasn't as good as I thought it would be, but now you can stick that down there. Get it out. Looks different on the bottom than the top. I don't know why. It's fully normal.
Where's this from?
What?
Um,
This is store-bought slime, mixed with some of that one, but blue. I threw it away because it wasn't good anymore. Nobody put the lid on it, so it didn't have any quality to it. So I threw it away. So, yeah, that's what that was. Oh, it smells really good, though. Put a lot of lotion in it, so it smells really good. Smell it.
Oop, it smells like lotion.
Yeah, makes sense. And it's pretty stretchy. It doesn't have the farts. It does not fart. It's polite. You guys are still polite, even if you've heard. Okay. Next one. Oh, get in there. That worked. No, it didn't. It didn't do anything. Okay. Next, the high bounce putty. Okay. Bottom is nice. It's stretchy, kind of. It's kind of like Play-Doh. Play-Doh for babies. Never mind. I take that back. I also got this one from Lagoon. Lagoon's a good place. Hello. That's cheesy. And I don't have a lot to say about this except that it's orange and Play-Doh-ish. So, next one. Ooh. Next, we have my 3D prints thing. My 3D art. Pin art XL. Children 3 years old. Don't use this. Don't use this. I'm not saying it. It's this. Read it, but babies can't read that. So, anyways, it's kind of look cool. Whoa, I see weird stuff. Ugh. That's my face right there. That's me sticking my tongue out. Now, what about, my eyes, I need to print out my eyes. Hello. Ah, it feels tingly. That feels weird. Oh, that's me. That's my face. It's kind of creepy. Okay. Next. Pixel art. Gone! Oh, you don't know where it went. Oh, it's magic. Oh, you can probably see it. Okay, putty. Ugh. Read it out loud for us, shall you?
Magic, heat reactive, color changing, violet to pink. Not your ordinary, out of this world lab putty. That's.
Ooh, it's really strange. Oh my gosh, really stringy. Looks like a brain. Matches the flowers a little. Yeah. Anyways, get a good stretch up. Gazebas. Okay, sorry. Speaking the language again. Dibba-zebas is cool. Dibba-zebas. Dibba-zebas. I know Riley's gonna come after me after this.
So that one doesn't really change color very well.
Yeah, because we mix another color with it, which is...
And what's this kind?
Yeah.
Magic fluorescent UV reactive. Out of this world lab putty. Not your ordinary. Gotta have it. There's so many words on this. Okay, so UV reactive. So let's look at the color before. Pretty similar to the other one.
In it.
Yeah, it should be the light.
Wait, there's no light.
Oh.
Okay, well,
Dang.
the before, and this is the after.
Oh, that's because you mixed them too.
I know.
because this was usually clear and then it turned blue. Dang, that's a bummer.
I mean, it still works, but we also don't have the lights.
Okay. Well, that was a disappointing end. Thanks for watching.
I hope you liked this video. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up in the face. Hope you be nice to each other. Bye-bye.